Lunes hanggang Sabado, puro na lang trabaho. At pagsapit ng Linggo, kailangan may negosyo, maghanap na raket. At bakit? Para laging may laman ng aking wallet. Ang pangit ng laging nakasabit. Bitin sa hangin ang bukas pag walang makain. Wag na akong tanungin kung may bigas pang isasaing. Sakit na isipin, taas na ng bilihin. Pilitin mong abutin, kita mo makakaraos din. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Nung una, inyo pa kayang naaalala, sa haheho meron akong ibinibenta. Special offer dye, special offer dye. Shampoo dye, shampoo dye. May libre kayong toothpaste at libre kayong toothbrush. May libre kayong toothpaste. May libre kayong toothbrush. At saka po candy, tsaka po candy. At saka po keso, tsaka po keso. At saka po carrots, tsaka po carrots. At saka po ketchup. Kaya ngayon, eto na naman ako, nagbi-business ng kung ano-ano. Merong ballpen, pentel pen, at pwede mo rin akong maging boyfriend. Basta't 7, uuwi na ako sa amin. Kasi meron pa akong gagawin, magpapasuso nitong alaga kong tuta. Mabait, masigla. Uy, merong isang chick, gusto niya raw akong mami. Umorder siya sa akin at bibili ng meat. Tong aking longganisa, ang kanyang kursunada. Kasi malaki, kasi mataba, at mahaba. Ako'y kanyang niyaya doon sa kanila. Wag daw akong mahiya, siya'y nag-iisa. Oli ka na, patitikim ko na. O sige na, o sige na, o malapit na. O eto na, ilalabas ko na. O eto na, nako, o tinda kong longganisa. O tinda ko, o tinda ko. O tinda kong longganisa. O tinda ko, o tinda ko. Here we go, here we go. At ang nangyari, ako'y nawili. Pakwento siya kasi at hindi corny. Ginawa ko ng lahat sa kanya, wala nang boundary. Sinakyan ko na siya kasi sinakyan niya na rin ako. Nang bilangin ko, tong inabot niya sa palad ko, tong inabot niya. Kulang pa, ang sabi ko, kulang pa. Tanong niya'y magkano? Miss, ocho pa ang ibayad mo. 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 It starts with
One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard
and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard
and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go.